Even our guide instructed us.
Cheetah, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರಿ cheetah ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರಿ.
Hardly half an hour back because it's still wet. Very cup. Yeah, that's a cup. And where the cup is there, the question is where is the mother? Yes. So she should be around the area, right? And every cup is there. I mean, the mother is so protective, right? Especially cat. We go a little more inside, and if you're feeling that it is not really comfortable, we'll come back because again, safety is, I prefer that is more important than anything, especially here. Yes.
This is ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಚೀತಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರಿ ಚೀತಾ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರಿ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಅದು ಅವರಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತಾಳಂತೆ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ Sometimes this tiger and leopard can sit here.
Not probably tiger, leopard can.
Yeah. Leopard mark, not leopard leg. Just now, this is walking.
Very fresh. And because she has cups also, right?
Maybe she'll think
It's kind of a threat, and then they will charge, and then it's not safe. Especially, the terrain is not easy to walk also, and if it is something what we need to run means we can't do it, right?
Yeah.
There is another way. That's what I was just thinking. Instead of the same way, we have another path. Is more easier to walk with her.
It's okay, we can walk in the same way.
Let me check here.
That's it.
It's not at all safe place for the kids. We did a foolish thing. Even our guide instructed us. We thought it will be like a normal place. So we are going back because this kid is crying. We don't want to take any risk. And even the instructor has told us it's a risky. After seeing the footprints of the pug marks of the leopard, it might be the cub. And he was telling that it may be surrounded by his mother, so it is not easy to going further, he said. And even we are also scared because we have a kid. That is the reason we are going back. Of course, both the reasons, we are scared and we have a kid. Of course, we should not bring the kid here. We don't know anything can be around here. There is no surprise because everywhere we can around see our footprints of elephants and leopards, but we didn't find any pug marks of tiger. So we have to follow the guide here. Oh, to follow your guide. Even guide also sometimes get stuck. There are a lot of.
No, actually, I'm just surprised because we went actually this way only. We came. While going, it was not here. This pug mark.
What is pug mark?
Leopard.
ಲೆಪರ್ಡ್ ಪಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್.
Oh,
We came in this path only, remember?
yeah.
Here only your wife said that she want to go back. Because that time I was checked here properly, there was nothing was here. So after we went, leopard came here.
Came here. Maybe it is hiding somewhere here.
Yeah.
Near.
Look at that. That's solid. It went down.
It went down or it?
Yeah, no,
it
it's-
is going this way.
it's,
Right?
See?
Yeah. Proper. Just now we went back in this way.
No,
And
no,
I
this way,
think-
this way, down.
No. We came
No,
in
we
this
came
way.
from here.
Yeah. And I think leopard went from this side.
I think probably when we were going, it was hiding somewhere here.
Right, yeah.
And then after we went, she went down.
She went down, yeah.
Probably went down.
Mother,
This looks mother.
Mundar, yeah.
Because we can see our shoes print here.
Yes,
We
yeah.
went in that way.
Yeah. Hey, this is elephant shit. Elephant shit, Sudhu. Ours is shit. Scat.
But I'm sure later the leopard will come here. It won't go there because it's more open.
Yeah.
So either could have taken that path or could have taken
This part.
no, but it's more open and then already lights and people